show you. So let's just show them the basic running man. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to turn to the side now. You guys can turn to the side. So first you bring one leg up, and when you drop that foot, you're going to slide the other leg back like this. Then you do the same thing. You bring the left leg up, and you're going to slide the other leg back. Then the right leg up, and slide the other leg back. And again, up and slide. Up and slide. So you've got to kind of do a hop in between. So we're on, our left leg is back right now. The other left leg is back. So we're going to lift that left leg up. But when we do, you got to do a hop. So you go hop and then drop.